Hey, what's going on, traders? Today we're actually going to go over my trades for today. Um, if you hear birds in the background or the water that's coming from the pool, it's because I'm outside in my backyard. Okay, so let's get to the trades. Now, last week I actually started to incorporate supply and demand, but I don't use it, the same way these guys use it. And I don't even call it supply and demand. I use a different name. I'll probably talk about that in another video. But overall, the thing about supply and demand, the reason why I never first of all, it was confusing, but I never really got into it because I'm a day trader. So I trade the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Okay, if you look at these videos that explain supply and demand, you have a zone right here up top, and you have these guys waiting for a price to hit these zones, right? Well, as a day trader, I don't have time to wait. Like, what if price never hit these zones? Okay, so the way I do it is I look for shorter zones. Like I can't look for zones that's so far away. I have to look for shorter zones. Okay, so let me explain my trades for today, and then we go from there. So the first zone I saw was right here, right? We got back into it, and nice little rejection. I took a short, and I got stopped out the first trade. Okay, and now I took another short. Okay, right here, and I got out at the lows. So this one brought me up $90 for the day. Okay, now we had another zone right here. Price came into the zone. It was getting, you see price rejecting this rejection. When you see price rejecting the zone right here, and I went short right here, and I went for a quick 1-to-1. Okay, now price comes back to the zone. Okay, and you can see it as soon as it went to the zone. Rejection. So I actually went short right here, and honestly, I thought I was gonna get stopped out because price looked like it was going to reverse and continue to go back up, but I didn't go. I didn't get stopped out, and I went for a nice little 2-to-1 from out of this trade. A nice little 2-to-1, and I was done for the day. And if you look at my P&L, I'm up pretty much. Was it $1,020? Okay, so that was my day for the day. Okay, now the way I trade, I use trend lines, I use channels, I use horizontal support, I use that's pretty much it. Horizontal support, and actually last week I started to incorporate the zones. All right, and basically, so far I'm liking, I like what I see so far. So I'm trying to give you guys a quick update on the trading for today. I had to basically try to come up with a strategy to play the chop a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to incorporate these zones. But overall, guys, day trading is something that I believe anybody can do if you want to make it. Okay, some of you guys either quit too early or have bad habits. See, the thing with trading is you have to understand in my opinion, there are different stages. Okay, stage one. Okay, this is what I went through. Stage one is when you lose a lot of money. I believe everybody go through that stage, right? First stage, you lose a whole bunch of money. Okay, second stage, you actually, become a break-even trader. Okay, so you're not really losing, you're not really winning. Okay, you're pretty much a break-even trader. Now, the third stage is very interesting because the third stage is you start to make money, right? You start to make money and you start to be consistent. But the thing is, it would be one bad day or one bad week that will wipe out all your profits. Okay, and me personally, I was stuck in that mode for a long time where I was, I went from being a break-even trader, from being a trader that's actually making money now, like consistent money. but it would be that one day, that 1 week that will wipe out all my profits, man, and it's annoying. So you as a trader has to know, you have to know these stages, and you have to know how to deal with these stages, okay? And you have to basically control your emotions, and know that this is a business, and you have to not let one day wipe out all of your profits. And I have different ways to deal with that. I talk about that in another video. But overall, today was a good day. I actually traded in front of my students today, and I was showing them the new strategy I'm working with, which is the zones. And I was able to make profits in front of my students. So today was a good day. Tomorrow, let's see how the market moves. But in my opinion, it really doesn't matter. I'm ready for a chop. I'm ready for a trendy market. It doesn't matter what the market gives me. I'm pretty much ready, and I'm ready to follow, whatever comes to me, or follow my rules and take whatever comes to me, because overall, I love this. I love this business. Okay, but you have to understand those stages. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing these supply and demand zones on these 1 minute charts, and also doing the trend lines, channels, support and resistance, horizontal support and resistance. Overall today, guys, it was weak. Okay, you have to understand the overall picture, what the market is really trying to tell you. I use the 5 minute for my macro view, for the bigger view. Okay, what is it telling you? Well, the 5 minute today was telling us that the market was weak. All right, we had nice little selling right here. It was correcting right here, right? We broke out of this, and then we was in a channel right here. We broke out of this channel, so automatically this is where the market opened right here. Okay, so I'm looking for a continuation. The bigger picture is telling me the market is weak. Every time we try to reverse, it breaks out this channel, right? It breaks out some type of channel to go right back down. Another situation, broke out of channel to go right back down. So I'm looking for shorts. There's no reason why I should be looking for longs, okay? Unless the market tells me to look for longs, okay? So that's what you have to do as a trader. You have to understand the bigger picture, and then you can go to your smaller time frame and take your trades based on that. I don't never just look at. I'm not just looking at the 1 minute chart and banging out the 1 minute chart. No, I'm looking at my main view is the 5 minute, and I just go to my 1 minute for entries, right? But overall, that's pretty much it. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos. I might start doing more videos on this channel. What else? What else? That's about it. Hit the like button, and have a good day. All right. Talk to you guys later.